Welcome to qualification match number 14 over here on field 2. Austin, are you ready to meet the teams?
Yep, Gillick, I'm ready to meet these teams.
Alrighty, over on the Red Alliance in Red 1, 40-42.
That's non-standard deviation.
And their alliance partner, who's also from Seattle, it's team 32-31.
Aoi Koi.
Going on over to the Blue Alliance, over here in Blue 1, it's team 24-252.
That's the Whidbey Island Wildcats C.
And for the third Seattle team on this field, it's team 21315.
Rock Bottom.
Alrighty, qualification match number 14 will begin in 3, 2, 1, go!
30 seconds of autonomous here in qualification match number 14. These robots carefully navigating around the field. A barrage of purple artifacts makes their way towards the red goal. One of them actually ending on top of non-standard deviation there in that rear launch zone. They now navigate in auto towards center field, towards the obelisk. That obelisk indicating a green, purple, purple motif. If we look at the ramp in sets of 3 artifacts each, we're looking for a green, a purple, and a purple for bonus points.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
4 purple artifacts on the blue ramp, 2 purple artifacts for red. So based on our motif, that's going to be 2 artifacts, those 2 purples, correct for the motif, adding some initial bonus points at the end of auto for the pattern, and potentially enough points for the pattern RP if they score some initial during this tally-up. We've got just about a minute and 40 seconds left here in tally-up of a score currently in favor of the Blue Alliance, 33-14. That score is unofficial and live as our referees track what's going on the field. So we'll have our final scores at the end of the match. But first, another 90 seconds of play as the Red Alliance non-standard deviation attempts to pick up some artifacts. It looks like they've got 2 in their possession. They'll drive into that pile of artifacts in the red loading zone and attempt to grab a 3rd artifact. They're allowed to control up to 3. They'll make their way into just the farthest edge of that rear launch zone, right at the tip of that triangle. Looks like those artifacts unfortunately fall just short, but they'll quickly chase them down and try again, grabbing them to reset. Just in front of them, a bit of a collision as a Blue and Red Alliance robot ram into each other. Looks like the blue robot, that's 24252, would be C, attempting to score some artifacts in the blue goal from that far right edge, just up against the red goal. They're getting defended against by Aoi Koi, 32-31, pushing up against them as they navigate around that rear launch zone. 30 seconds left now on the clock as we quickly approach endgame. Still a pretty close score, but in favor of the Blue Alliance at this point. We'll have to see what happens. The Red Alliance pushes a blue robot up against the blue goal. That's Aoi Koi up against a blue robot. They now make their way back towards base as non-standard deviation attempts to score a couple more artifacts. With 5 seconds left on the clock, will they return to base? Looks like they're going for the partial. Will they get it? Our referees are the final judge of that and the rest of the shenanigans around the field. So we'll have your final scores when they give us the thumbs up. Referees gave the all clear on the scores. It's a Blue Alliance victory. Final results 87-35. The Blue Alliance picking up 5 ranking points. Both alliances did earn themselves the movement ranking point bonus. That's a combination of leave and base points. So excellent work there from both of our alliances as they work on improving their rankings here at the league tournaments.